Hey guys, just a small update on what I've done since you last saw me on the video. I worked on the mirror tutorial clone and got a lot of things done. I will show you really quick. I must go, so I just wanted to do this update before the sun got down. I also found a new competitor that I have to benchmark, so I will benchmark that just after. And look at what I just did. So I hope you will be able to see. It is the panel here. You can see. You can log in with the account you just made. I'm gonna show you the process here. I'm gonna sign out. Okay. You can log in with GitHub or Google. You can also use an email address, and I think it does a magic link. I'm going to use GitHub for this one. Okay, I just arrived on the panel. When you are arriving here, you can create a new space. I call it space. It's an organization clerk. You can create the organization test. Okay, and it is created. You have the test here. You can also manage the organization. You can invite people. This is very cool because you can invite people with email address and never have to mess up with the authentication and all the sending mail part, doing the pages to secure the invitation. Like, all people are gonna be in organizations. It's very cool and very easy to do. And you can also choose the role between member and admin. I will add the new role, I think, here. So this is very nice. You have also the favorites working, the team, and the search. But for now, there's nothing. I'm working on creating the database. I need to learn how ConvexDB works, but I think it's very simple. It will be very quick because I just need to write functions that are called mutations. They are uploaded on ConvexDB directly, and you can use those to do validations, just as I did on Firebase with the rules. So authentication is working. Groups, invitations, organization are working too. Now I need to build the database system with the mutations and all things that enable access. So there's some things to do, and yeah, I really love the way it turns out. shadcn is amazing. I wasn't really ready to say that at the first place. In some videos I said I was not liking shadcn because it was too hard to use. I don't know what happened before, but it's very, very easy to learn, and every component is styled just the way I love, because I don't like the way Flowbyte or other Tailwind libraries are shaped. It's just too rounded. I think it looks so much better with shadcn that I don't know why people are not using it. So I will keep you updated and benchmark the app when I get back. Hey, this 1st of May was a productive day. I got some work done, mainly working on the app. I just committed something. I added actions, so you can view your cards, your lists, remove, rename, and copy the link. That was all part of the tutorial I'm following. I learned so much. It's very important. Now that I've done that, I think it's very important to follow tutorials to get you started on the right way of doing things. Of course, there's 1,000 ways of doing the same thing in JavaScript, but you really need this kickstart from a pro developer to be sure that you are going in the right directions. I'm still a fan of Convex, and I really enjoy it because it's so simple. I've never used something this simple, I think. You gotta try to believe it, but you write your code, your functions inside your terminal, your IDE, and by the moment you save, it has already been uploaded to their servers. It is running there, so it's in the cloud. You don't have to deal with development servers and all. They handle everything there. You can put your own custom validation rules inside the function, and it's just like you were coding an Express server, but with the access to the identity requesting the documents, and also with all the added things like storage, real-time database, cron jobs. So that's so fun to use, and it's, as I said, it's updated in a fraction of a second. Let me show you what I did. So here is the app. You can already see a lot of colors. They are generated randomly. Here is the top menu where you got the organization. You can add an organization here. It's all handled by Clerk. You can select the organization you want. So EL doesn't have anything. So you have a little illustration to show you that. You can add a new list just by clicking this button here. And it gets you a pop-up here, and it's so fun. Like, look at this design. I love it so much. After that, you can go on the card and view the information here, and you can copy the link. It has been copied here. You can also rename. You're using the stand with a global state in the app, and it's already applying the mutation in DB. So I can say violet. I don't know if it's the violet one, but yeah, not really violet, but it's instantly updated because it's real time. You can also delete. You have a confirmation modal also, and it has been deleted, and everything is real time. I think the magic here is the real-time component. Everything happens like that. It's magic, and I love it. I know it can happen, we can have this behavior on Superbase and Firebase, but you just don't want to do anything to get it working, and it's exactly like it's on Convex. And the other thing is that I don't think I need a global state inside my app, because the global state is the Convex DB server. I don't need to keep track on what I'm doing. I just need some states, some global states for my models, because they are shared between parts of the app. And you have a model that's somewhere and you want to call it on a nested component, so you need a global state. But other than that, you don't need anything. I was planning to use states in the old version of the app using Firebase, but I don't think it's necessary, because you call the mutations in local on every component, and it's reflected in real time, and you don't need communication between the components, because the communication is handled by the server. So that's amazing. I really love that, and I urge you to use Convex in your projects, because it's so simple. Just take a tutorial using Next.js, Tailwind CSS, shadcn, Clerk, and Convex. The 5 will get you really far, really quick. Thank you for listening to this video today. I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.